In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your birthday on Facebook. Now, in order for us to get this done, we're just going to go ahead and open our profile here, click it once again, and what you're going to do is tap the option that says edit public details, this one right here, and then you're going to scroll down once again and you should be able to see here edit your about info. Go ahead and click that over there and then scroll down until you see this one. This is your birthday. You can go ahead and click the edit button right here and then start editing this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and click edit in account center just like so, and there you go. So that is the birthday. I can go ahead and click that and start changing it from here. So just like so. Let's go ahead and change it. Click the set button once you're done and then save this one. Click confirm. And then if we are going to go back over here, you should be able to see that now we have changed the birthday. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.